Hi, welcome to Biorev Scoop and welcome to 7 Days 7 Tips series. Friends, in this series, we will share 7 tips on digital marketing on 7 consecutive days. And we are sure that you did not know about these tips. So, what are we waiting for? Please like and share this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the videos that we are sharing here at Biorev Scoop. So, let's put on our learning caps and let's get started. Number 1. Not knowing your audience. One of the fundamental principles of SEO is knowing your audience, and by knowing I mean at the granular level. And here is where the mistake most marketers make. They think they know their audience, but eventually they fall into the trap of not knowing their audience and what their customers want. Number 2. Not having an SEO plan and roadmap. Friends, we all are aware of the famous saying that castles are not built in air. And exactly the same happens in the case of SEO. It's not a very easy thing, friends. So we have to be ready with a proper plan of action. Many big organizations actually fail on strategizing and executing a proper SEO because they do not have a plan, and eventually their entire digital marketing effort fails. So friends, it is very important to chalk out a proper workable SEO plan for you before you even think of even jumping into it. Number 3, creating the wrong type of content. Friends, believe me, content is the king. And another common pitfall in SEO is creating content which is not at all required by your audience. The problem is you want to rank for a particular keyword, but you fail to focus on the text in the target topic, and this leads to irrelevant content which does not yield any SEO result. Number 4, plagiarized content. Friends, plagiarism in SEO is suicide. Never ever think of using someone else's content and rephrase it and use it as your own content. Believe me, friends, the Google search engine is very smart, much smarter than we think. So it immediately detects the plagiarized content and it marks down all your SEO effort and flags your content as spammy content. Duplicate and thin content simply doesn't work here. So friends, be original, keep your content original, invest in developing original content if you really want to rank high in SEO. 5. Skipping title tags, meta description, and forgetting to provide context with schema. Friends, optimizing your content just by putting the right keyword is not enough. There is much more to SEO than just selecting and putting in the right keywords. Title tags and meta descriptions are a very essential part of SEO efforts and they should never be forgotten. Some marketers also forget to mark up their articles by using the schema, which actually confuses the search engines as they are not able to understand the context of your article at all. So what is the result? Your SEO efforts goes in vain. So friends, please do not forget to introduce title tags, meta description and schema in your articles. So friends, I'm sure you must have been able to derive some value out of this video. Am I correct? So please like and share this video, and once again do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos here at Biorev Scoop. So we'll meet tomorrow once again with the next important tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep watching Biorev Scoop.